Still not getting leads from your website? It's not just about having a site, it's about having a smart, search engine optimization one. A good design builds trust. Search engine marketing brings traffic. Your website should be mobile friendly and fast, because user experience matters. On-page search engines optimization like keywords, titles, and meta tags help you rank on Google. Without optimization, your site is just a digital ghost, no traffic, no leads. At KRTechSolution, we build custom-designed websites that are fast, mobile responsive, and built to convert. Once the issues are resolved, we can start a complete digital marketing strategy, including lead generation, content marketing, email optimization, social media marketing, SEO, CRM integration, Google Ads, and client onboarding. You will see 100% effective results with top page keyword rankings, increased business visibility, and measurable growth. KRTechSolution, the best digital marketing company. 15 years of trust. 15 years of expertise. Your digital growth partner. 89% successful results. Compare before and after results to track your growth and success with confidence. We provide weekly or monthly reports showing traffic improvements, resolved errors, and overall performance results. Thinking about a website audit? Why wait? Reach out by email or phone, or visit www.krtechsolution.com now.